Welcome to a quick tutorial video on the admin functionalities in the MusiQuest dashboard. If you are a teacher, you are not going to see this admin section on the top left. You're only going to see the functions underneath the school or the schools that you're a part of. If you have responsibility, though, for managing a larger set of schools or different groups within your organization, then you'll have this functionality. And you can see that on this schools page, we're going to see the list of schools, the number of admins, the number of accounts that they currently have. We have the ability to easily add schools if we need. We can also edit schools. I can pull this up and it'll show me the name of the school, who the admins are. I can take them off if perhaps they're no longer at the organization. I can also delete them on the admin page or add someone if I need to. Of course, there's also the ability to delete. We recommend using this judiciously. Be cautious because there may not be the chance to recover that information. On the admins page, it's sort of similar, just what you'd expect. You can see the people in your organization, their emails, and which schools they're associated with. The master admin is always going to be associated with all of the schools. You can delete admins down here, always delete at the bottom if you need, but hopefully there shouldn't be too much turnover there. Finally, there's some really valuable functionality in the accounts page. This is where you can see all the students that are a part of your organization across multiple different schools. You can search for people like, let's say, Dave. There's a Dave. Dave has not yet been active. His school, though, is First School. And if I want to, I could view Dave's profile. I could also edit which school he's a part of. So let's say that he moved between schools. Second school there, first school off, save that. Now, Dave is going to show up when I toggle on second school, which is going to show me just the students in this second school. It turns out it's Dave and a lonely student who now has a friend, so I'm sure they'll get along well. If we take second school off and put first school on, then we see a larger group of students, but no Dave or a lonely student because they're not there. You can always remove the filter here. And then you can take mass actions with the student accounts themselves. You can select all of them by clicking up here, which is going to give you the option to add to a specific school or to delete the accounts. Again, be careful with that. You can also select specific students to take those same functions with. So this is a quick sort of high-level overview of what you can do as an admin. You can manage all the accounts in your organization. You can imagine the people, the teachers that are handling MusiQuest, and of course you can manage the schools. And we hope that this is all very intuitive, and if you have desire for other functionality, please just let us know.